This is a narrow road.
meters, turn left onto Aurora Boulevard.
Most probably a one-way either.
Gusto.
Yeah.
I won't be surprised that Edgar's lesson plan will be approved when Elreen has her demo. I won't be surprised, but just the
After naman kakain kami na ni Dads.
In 40 meters, turn left.
Siyempre deliver ko silang lahat. Pati si Florence.
Sana all. Well, we got those views.
Aurora Boulevard for 3 kilometers.
Charger pa sila natin.
Continue straight at this traffic light.
Ang cranky ni Charlie po.
Wala akong balita.
Continue straight at this traffic light.
May parang isip mo sa lisip sa babae.
Marami. Si Rex Orange din eh.
Ha?
Si Rex Orange. Rex Orange country.
Oo.
Nakasuha. For a minor naman.
Ang dami siya.
Don't change a thing, you're amazing.
Ang tagal na rin. Kita mo din mo yung mga kanta niya sa mga YouTube. Yung comments. Ay, puro puro allegations.
Allegations.
Hindi siya allegation kasi nahanap sa kotse niya mismo yung bangkay. Tapos may identify na yung katawan. Yung identify yung katawan, ex-girlfriend niya. Harley Davidson.
Bunch of worries. I'm gonna get myself full of looks.
Marami ka makikita yan sa Tagaytay.
You see me pulling that up in your driveway. I'm jumpy and there's nothing on the weekend.
Continue straight at this traffic light.
It's only Monday.
Ay, lagi ako nakikita sa Instagram.
Iba-iba nga eh. May kabayo, may ship.
May gas na
May gas. May happy gas. Iba-iba eh. Lupit eh.
Continue straight at this traffic
Meron ako yung
light.
Spider-Man tapos si Gwen.